One of the reasons for creating this training course is to make you aware of the importance of understanding basic operating skills. These basic skills must be properly exercised every time you operate a Cat skid steer loader or multi-terrain loader. One of the fundamentals of safe operation is knowing how to properly enter the loader. Watch as this operator enters the cab. He faces toward the machine as he enters it and uses three-point contact, 2 hands and a foot or 2 feet and a hand, at all times. Once in the cab, he eases himself into the seat. Before starting the loader, you must do the following. Adjust the seat for comfort. Fasten the seat belt. Lower the arm bars. Make sure the joystick controls are in neutral. And set the hand throttle to the half throttle position. Close the door if the machine is so equipped. Sound the horn briefly to warn bystanders or maintenance personnel that you're going to start the engine. Start the engine. In cold weather, use the glow plug starting aid before you start the engine. Review the instructions for using the starting aid in your operation and maintenance manual. If equipped, select a joystick pattern using the selectable pattern control. Disengage the parking brake. After the engine starts, allow the engine to warm up for at least 5 minutes. During the warm-up, look at the instrument panel to make sure no alert indicators are on. Read your operation and maintenance manual for a detailed explanation of each gauge and indicator. Check the hydraulics by fully raising. And lowering the lift arms. Then fully roll out and retract the quick coupler to cycle the hydraulic fluid. If this is your first experience operating a Cat skid steer loader or multi-terrain loader, take a few minutes to get used to the way the controls function. First, get used to the travel controls. Drive the loader forward and backward. And practice making turns. Next, practice raising and lowering the lift arms and cycling the quick coupler. After you learn how to operate the controls, park the machine on level ground. Lower the lift arms until the work tool rests firmly on the ground. Let the machine idle for 5 minutes. Turn off the engine and remove the key. Exit the cab using the grab handles as you did to get in, facing the machine. Always use three-point contact, 2 hands and a foot or 2 feet and a hand at all times as you exit the machine. Never jump off the machine. Never, under any circumstances, leave the operator's seat while the engine is running. Accidents can happen, like bumping a joystick.